Very good morning, children. In this video, I am going to explain chapter number 3 MS Access Queries in MS Access 2010 chapter book by exercises, and I have mentioned here classwork writing Roman letters. You have to write first Roman, second Roman, third, fourth, and eighth Roman. These are the Romans you have to write in your classwork note. Complete the writing work, and when you're going to start writing your CW, write your details in front of notebook, your name, your details and section. And index page you have to draw 3 columns or 4 columns: serial number, title of the lesson, and a teacher's remark, teacher's sign, and a grade. You have to put index page. When you had submitted PT1 notebook corrections, you did not write your names, your index page in your notebooks. Children, write these details first and submit your notebook. Here I am going to explain chapter number 3 book by exercise all the Romans. You have to write these Romans in your CW, and you have to mark all the answers in your textbook. Use pencil or a pen, write neatly. Give your presentations. Your handwriting should be legible, and I am expecting good presentation. Okay, so it's a very simple task here. A simple Romans, or already we had discussed and you learned about forms and reports concepts in MS Access. Simple concepts are there. I'm going to explain the book by exercises, question and answers, all the Romans. Write your class note and submit it when you have come to school. Clear, students? Let me explain the first Roman. Fill in the blanks. Here we have 5 questions. Let me read the questions. Write the Roman heading, fill in the blanks, and write your question and answers in your notebook. Let me read the first question. Queries can be created using a dash or dash. Here they are asking about how can we insert queries in MS Access. So there is 2 ways we can create queries in MS Access. I hope you know the answer: query design view and query wizard. Using these 2 features of MS Access, we can create a queries. Page number 34, you can see the answer for this question. You can write answer for this question: query design view and query wizard. Clear? Using query design view, we can set a query for our table, and query wizard you can create a queries in your table. Let me read next question. Dash can access and display data from tables. Dash can access and display data from tables. So answer for this question is page number 34, answers available. Okay, so read the first page. Queries can access a single table or multiple tables. Queries are fundamental means of accessing and displaying data from tables. I hope you got the answer. Queries are answer for this question. Third one, the options for creating query are present in the dash tab. The option for creating queries are present in the dash tab. Queries group, the answer for the question also in 34. You can see the answer. Page number 34, you can see home tab. Okay, in home tab we have here all the options. Here you can write the home tab. Here you can see answer. The right answer for this question is creating a query can be accomplished by using either query design view or query wizard. Okay, use the options in design view, create a query. It's not a right answer. Next one, you can see query wizard. Okay, click on create tab, then click on the query wizard button. So create tab is the answer for this question. So first question answer is design view and query design view or query wizard. Second question answer is you can see as a queries. answer is create tab. Okay, fourth one, click on the save button from the dash toolbar to save a query. So it's a simple to save your query. You can see answer in a file tab. File tab is the answer, or you can get the answer page number 36. Okay, 36. You can see, read all the paragraphs. You can see the answers for this query. Next one, to sort a query, the table must be opened in dash view. To sort the query, the table must be opened in dash view. Okay, so the answer for this question is children, take page number 39, read the first paragraph, sort a query. So here they have given the steps. Open the table or query in query design view. Okay, we have to go to click the menu query design view. Understand the field you want to sort. Click the down arrow and choose ascending or descending. Click the run button. Access retrieves the columns. You choose and display the rows order you specified. So this is the steps we have to do for sort data. What the question asked here, you read a question again. To sort a query, the table must be opened in dash view. Okay, so the table must be opened in query design view. Okay, the answer for this question is query design view. Clear? So write your answers in fill-ups. Let me read the second Roman. Answer the following in one word. Simple questions are there. You can find the answers easy. Which helps the queries to sort records in a particular order? Which helps the queries to sort the records in particular order? Okay, so they are asking about the which query to sort records in a particular order. So page number, take page number 37, yes, 39. Okay, so here you can see sort a query answer. You can see the answer, you can find the answer for this question. Okay, so which query, ascending or descending? Use under the field you want to sort, click the down arrow and choose the ascending or descending. Okay, so query design view, ascending or descending command used for the sort query. Okay, so next one, what is the first step in creating query? What is the first step in creating query? Page number 35. Click on create tab. We have to go for click the create tab to first step to create a query. Third one, in which tab is a run button is located? In which tab the run button is located? So page design view, page number 34, design view is the answer. Run button is located. The answer for this question is navigation pane. So read the points from the page number 41 to save a query. So already we had two questions from this paragraph. To quick access toolbar is the answer for the one more question number in fill-ups. Okay, page number question number 4 in fill-ups, quick access toolbar, and right answer. This one is the right answer. And next one, navigation pane is the answer in one word. Fourth one. Okay, so next, which field indicates how to filter the records in query outputs? Which field indicates how to filter the records in query output? The answer for this one, let me read the next one. Which pane helps you to access saved query? Which pane helps us to access the saved query? The answer for this question is children, the answer for this question is page number 41. Read the retrieve specified records. You can get the answer. Page number 37, yes, 35, query wizard button. Okay, the first one is query wizard button, and second one is run button, and the third one is you can see the answer in first one is the first one answer is query design view. Okay, the second one answer is run, and the third one is query wizard. Okay, so find the answers. All the answers are available in page number 34. So write the name of the icons given here. Answer the following questions is simple. You can mark the answer the following questions yourself, and you can write your own sentence, or you can give a simple answers for all the answer the following questions. Just mark the page numbers and answers in your classic notes. Okay, so next one, answer the following in detail. No need to write in a CW, just understand the concepts enough. Clear, students? Let me explain now. Complete the procedure for the following. The steps we have to write here. You have to write steps what are given in what will come in fill-ups. Read the paragraph and understand the concepts and give your answers here. Clear, children? So these are the Romans you have to write in CW. And next one, we are going to see, observe the picture and answer the following questions. So here they have given the one picture screenshot. We have to give right answers for the questions. Let me explain that screenshot. We have to write right answers. The steps will come these fill-ups. Complete the procedure for the following. Steps to perform a sort. Here they have asked a question about how to sort your data in MS Access queries. To perform a sort, open a table or query in query design view. Page number 39 answer is available. Here they are given table design view. They are creating one table and they are going to sort the data in they are given the design table query wizard. Okay, so understand and look at the pictures. How many fields will be displayed in the outputs? So here 3 fields will be displayed in output: name, address, class. Which sort is applied in the name field? So see there, ascending or field 1 ID ascending is checked. Okay, so ascending is the answer. How many fields are appearing in the table? Okay, how many fields are appearing in the table? 3 fields: name, address and class. Okay, and ID. Okay, 4 fields will be appearing in the table. Is there any criteria applied? If yes, name the operator. So see, so here there is one condition criteria is given in the screenshot. Under the field table class, you have to see the operator. Here you have to give the name of the operator. Just to find the answer, I already explained operators concepts. Just give the answer for that criteria name. Okay, so find yourself. So next one, 8th one, brainstorming. It's a simple exercise. You have to give your own writing here. Understand the questions and give a real-time examples and give your own sentence writing. Let me explain the question here. The first one, what is the difference between the sorting and the filtering? So here sorting is the process. We can sort the records ascending or descending. Filtering, what are the records data we need from the table? We can retrieve data from table. It's a filtering. So give your answers with your own sentence and you can write your answers clearly here. What is the difference between query and table? Here query is the, we can using queries we can create a table. Table is the collection of rows and columns. So this is the difference between query and table. Understand the concept and give your own writing answers here. Clear, children? So complete the CW for this chapter. Write your answers neatly. I am expecting good presentation. So understand the concepts and give your answers. Let me explain the next part of this lesson, creative moments and glossary. Creative moments. So here what you have to do, collect 10 members of friends term marks and create a query by using the field names as name, English, Tamil, Max. So we have to create the columns. These column headings we need: name of the students and their subject marks: English, Tamil, Max, Science and Social and Computer Science total. So now apply sorting and display the highest total. So task here, we have to create one table. The columns will be appear in name of the student and their subject marks, English, Tamil, max and etc. and total. So what we have to do, sort the records and display the highest value. As per the highest value of their total, we have to display the records. This is the task we have to do here. What you have to do, you have to create a first table in MS Access, the column headings. In a using query design view, you can create a table and you can enter few more data, just 7 or 6 rows of data. You can enter it and go to the sort options in queries. You can sort the table values as highest ascending to descending. Okay, the highest marks to highest value of total to lowest, and you can display the highest total. So these are the steps you have to do in to complete this task. If you have system in your home, you can create a table in MS Access. You can do this activity or just understand it. Write the steps in a A4 sheet, or you can in your class note understand the concepts and the steps. So this is the creative moments task we have you can see here. Next one, glossary subset. We are going to see here the meanings of the words subset. A part of large group of related things. Subset means what? It's a there is a group of items we can see in a related things. Okay, a part of a large group of related items. Wizard, a help feature of software package that automates complex tasks by asking the user to series of easy to answer questions. Wizard we can see in a home tab. It will be used for the end users to help feature of software package that automates complex tasks by the asking the user of series of easy to answer questions. Sort, the arrangement of data in a prescribed sequence. We can arrange data using ascending or descending. It's a sort. Retrieve, to locate and get the information. To retrieve means what? To get the information from the table. As per requirement, we can retrieve from the data from table. So these are the meanings for these words. Understand? So complete your classic note. I mentioned Romans. Give your good presentation in CW. Submit it. So don't be defaulters. Write your name and all the other details in your notebook. So most of the students did not write your names and details in your notebook, and design an index page in front of notebook. Write it and complete your lessons. You have to mention it in your index page. Don't forget. So complete your this writing task for this week and submit it when you are going to hand over your papers and notebooks to school. Don't be defaulters in CS subject. If you have any doubts, you can ask me or you can contact me. Give a message to my personal in WhatsApp inbox. I will give solutions for your doubts. Clear, children? Okay. So write the answers for the mentioned Romans only. Don't write extra Romans, and write all the answers in your textbook. Mention answers and it's neatly. Use pencil or a block ballpoint pen. Give your answers.